Good morning from Portimão, Portugal. It is about 6:15 in the morning and I got a new tripod. It's right there. Let's go. Here she is. This is the new beast. This is the Benro FIF28C. iPhoto, carbon fiber, 8 times magnesium I believe as well, and a resistance system to dust. Very similar to the last tripod I had. I got this at a shop called Calumet in Hamburg. It's got an Arca Swiss top on it, which is nice. My last one actually didn't have that, so I'm really happy to be able to put an L bracket now on my 5D3 and get some quick release plates for the Panasonic GH5. It's also got a really nice detachable ball head here, so when I'm traveling carry-on, which many of you know, just take that guy off, fold it all up and put it into my bag and it fits perfectly, so that's really nice. But yeah, something really sturdy I've been needing for a while. I noticed in Iceland that my old tripod just wasn't doing it, and this guy is just so much beefier and still fits in my carry-on as a travel tripod. So really happy to have this benro and giving it a good test here this morning in Portugal. This beautiful coast here in Portimão. So let's set up and see if we can get a couple shots. So my first setup here this morning is the 16-35 with no filters. Got this absolutely beautiful view. Sadly, there's no clouds in the sky, which is never really that great on a sunrise, but for it being March, I'm happy with the weather. The tripod so far is super sturdy, feeling really good on this cliff edge. There's no wind, a whole bunch of seagulls kicking around, so I don't think they're gonna like the drone very much, but this is just such a beautiful view, and I'm the only person here. Another beauty thing about sunrise photography. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the 6-stop ND filter and try and get a long exposure on this scene, and then yeah, possibly put the drone up and see if we can scare a few of these seagulls. And look who made it out this morning, working out, yes, staying fit and healthy, having fun.
Well, there's really no better motivation than this though. It's beautiful and there's nobody here.
Just in time to fly.
wasn't very smooth.
And that's it for the sunrise shoot and the first introduction to the new tripod to you here on the channel.
Yeah, how was it?
It was very nice. The shoot or the tripod?
No, the tripod.
Yeah,
obviously.
the tripod is great. It's what I expected it to be. Really sturdy, very smooth, which is nice. My old one was kind of, I don't know if it had sand in it or seawater, salt water, but it was just kind of hard to get the legs out. And one of them was like what do you call it? Like stuck at the bottom, and I couldn't get one of the little toes off. So
how long did you have that for?
Yeah, 2.5 years. So it's to be expected. But yeah, it's a tool. I think it's going to be useful, especially in Patagonia and Iceland later this year, Nepal and Mongolia as well. So lots to look forward to on the channel. But yeah, that's it, right? It's a tripod. So
yeah, and how was the sunrise?
Sunrise.
I saw it. It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Sorry, good question. Yeah.
That drone flight. Wow, I'm so happy the seagulls didn't actually attack it. They never really have. They get close, but they won't actually hit the drone. At least from my experience, that flight this morning was still great. And yeah, the tripod needs a name, so help me out. If you are wanting to name the tripod, throw your suggestions in the comments, and Nelly and I will pick the funniest one.
Yes.
And make a sticker and put it on one of the legs. So
the game's on.
Yeah, game on. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.